Looking for the best juicers in 2025? You're in the right place. Whether you're into fresh fruit juices, green smoothies, or cold-pressed detox drinks, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best juicers in 2025 you can buy this year, based on performance, durability, ease of use, and value for money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our expert reviews and top picks. Let's dive in. Number 5. Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a fast, efficient, and space-saving juicing experience. Despite its small size, this juicer packs a punch, effortlessly extracting fresh juice from fruits and vegetables with minimal prep. The compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or on-the-go lifestyles, while the easy-to-clean components ensure a hassle-free experience. Whether you're making a quick morning orange juice or experimenting with green juice blends, the Magic Bullet Mini handles it smoothly with its powerful motor and efficient extraction. Beyond its performance, this juicer is designed with convenience in mind. Its one-touch operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. The pulp control feature allows you to customize your juice texture, while its durable build and sleek design make it a stylish addition to any countertop. Plus, with its affordable price and reliable performance, it delivers exceptional value for money. If you're looking for a 5 out of 5 rated mini juicer that's both powerful and portable, the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer is a must-have. Number 4. Chef N Fresh Force Citrus Juicer. The Chef N Fresh Force Citrus Juicer is a game-changer for anyone who loves fresh citrus juice without the hassle. Unlike traditional handheld juicers, this one features a dual-gear mechanism that increases pressing power while reducing hand strain. The result? More juice with less effort. Whether you're squeezing lemons, limes, or small oranges, this juicer extracts every last drop with ease. Its solid, durable construction and ergonomic design make it comfortable to use, while the stainless steel and nylon materials ensure longevity. Perfect for home cooks, cocktail lovers, and anyone who enjoys fresh citrus flavor. What sets the Fresh Force Citrus Juicer apart is its efficient design and mess-free operation. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this tool keeps pulp and seeds out, giving you pure, fresh juice every time. Cleanup is also a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Whether you're making fresh lemonade, margaritas, or adding a splash of citrus to your dishes, this juicer delivers top-tier performance with minimal effort. For its efficiency, durability, and ease of use, it earns a solid 5 out of 5 rating, a must-have tool for any kitchen. Number 3. Breville Juice Fountain Compact. The Breville Juice Fountain Compact is a game-changer for those who want fresh, nutrient-rich juice without taking up too much counter space. Despite its compact size, this juicer packs a powerful 700-watt motor that extracts juice efficiently, even from hard fruits and vegetables. The extra-wide 3-inch feed chute means less prep time, allowing you to drop in whole apples, carrots, or citrus fruits effortlessly. Plus, the stainless steel cutting disc ensures fast, smooth juicing with minimal pulp, making every glass a refreshing experience. What truly sets the Juice Fountain Compact apart is its easy-to-clean design and seamless operation. With dishwasher-safe parts and a simple assembly process, it's perfect for beginners and busy users alike. The pulp collection inside the base maximizes space efficiency, making it ideal for smaller kitchens without sacrificing performance. Whether you're into daily green juices or fresh morning orange juice, this juicer delivers top-notch results every time. With its 5 out of 5 rating, the Breville Juice Fountain Compact proves that great things do come in small packages. Number 2. Breville The Juice Fountain Cold. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is a powerhouse juicer designed for speed, efficiency, and nutrient preservation. With its cold spin technology, it minimizes heat transfer, ensuring your juice stays fresh and packed with vitamins. The powerful 850-watt motor makes quick work of even the toughest fruits and vegetables, extracting juice in seconds without excessive foam or waste. Plus, the large 70-ounce juice jug and wide feed chute mean less prep time and more convenience. No need to chop everything into tiny pieces. Whether you're making morning green juice or fresh orange juice, this machine delivers a smooth, pulp-free experience every time. What sets the Juice Fountain Cold apart is its easy cleanup and durable design. The stainless steel cutting disc and mesh filter provide long-lasting performance, while the removable parts are dishwasher-safe for hassle-free maintenance. Unlike slow juicers, which can be time-consuming, this model is perfect for busy lifestyles, delivering quick, high-yield juicing without sacrificing quality. With its sleek build, outstanding efficiency, and commitment to preserving nutrients, it's no surprise this juicer earns a 5 out of 5 rating, A must-have for anyone serious about fresh, homemade. Number 1. Omega Ultimate Juicer System. The Omega Ultimate Juicer System is an absolute powerhouse for health enthusiasts, delivering superior juice extraction with maximum nutrition. This cold press, masticating juicer ensures minimal oxidation, preserving essential vitamins, enzymes, and flavors in every glass. Whether you're juicing leafy greens, hard vegetables, or fruits, it handles everything with ease, producing smooth, pulp-free juice that stays fresh longer. Plus, its quiet yet powerful motor makes it a pleasure to use without disturbing your kitchen environment. If you're serious about juicing, this machine is a total game changer. Beyond juicing, the Omega Ultimate Juicer System is a true multi-purpose kitchen tool. It can make nut butters, baby food, frozen desserts, and even grind coffee beans, giving you more value than just a juicer. The durable build, easy cleanup, and simple assembly make it stand out from competitors, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time. With industry-leading performance and long-lasting quality, this juicer earns a solid 5 out of 5 rating. If you're looking for the ultimate juicing experience, the Omega Ultimate Juicer System is worth every penny. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.